He said yes.
That was actually the ceremony.
I thought we were married a long time ago. And then when they told me about the wedding, I was like, wait a minute, you're not married yet? So yeah. Happy to be together and none of that other stuff. I'm glad they are
I've only known them, well, I think they've been engaged longer than I've known them. So finally they're doing it. I didn't think they would do it. You know, when someone says something's gonna happen and it just goes on. But I'm really happy for them. They actually came to a decision.
So on behalf of Lance and Kevin, I'd like to welcome you to their wedding ceremony. Lance and Kevin, now come to your chosen vows. Saying your vows is one thing, but nothing is more challenging than living them day by day.
Kevin, you're gonna hate this. Here's an intro. Vows. The word literally means promise. Wedding vows literally is what I promise, like, as a husband to you. And I can't promise anything that we've been together 10.5 years. I can't promise anything that we have left. For you, and for me, maybe not for everyone, but it's what works. I promise, or I vow, or whatever word you want to choose, I promise to just continue to love you as much as I can and to continue to learn how to love you as much as I can. I promise.
I know some of you will be surprised that I've written it all down. Kiwetnot, Kinshin, Northern Thunderbird, Lance, Gagasian, Uge, Gadaton Uskio, Kagi Bimutia, Wechasin, Kagigi, Wichi Pumutitan, Uma Meskano. Page 2.
Up to.
How to, yes. We're almost there. Your unwavering commitment to always doing the right thing is a testament to your incredible character and inspires me to be the best me that I can be. You bring a richness to my life in so many ways I can't fully or adequately articulate it. Kanuna Skumten, Kandu Soian, Kavish Komotian, Inma Espino. Thank you for choosing me to be the person to walk my life's path with.
About what we're doing, and you might notice my sash, Phil's sash, a few other folks before. It's tribute to you now, so.
May the love which has brought you here together today continue to grow and enrich your lives. May you continue to meet with courage any problems which may arise to challenge you. May your relationship always be one of love and trust. May the happiness you share today be with you always. And may everything you have said and done here today become living truth. It is my honor and privilege to declare you married together in life, for life, as husband and husband. You may now actually give a legal case.
This song is for all of us, and then we're gonna dance for the next like 2 hours. So start it again. We all learned? Does anyone remember it? Nobody remembers it?
No.
What grew to it? What grew to it? We are family. We have something that is not necessary. We want to give it to you. So we're gonna set it up. We're gonna go back to the music for about a half hour, and then we'll just like call people up. So that's what's gonna.
Just stay as happy as they are and as funny and not just just grow some more.
Honored to know you. I wish you many, many more years. We've already been together for 100. I wish you hundreds more years of happiness and love and friendship and care.